If you aren't foam rolling, then this is for you. Whether you're an avid exerciser or just a beginner or don't even work out at all, keep watching. Hi, I'm Janice Thornton, certified online personal trainer with JT Fitness and Golf, and welcome to Wellness Wednesday. Okay, why do we want to use a foam roller in the first place? Foam rolling can be a game changer with your workouts and help improve your fitness level. Rolling helps break up scar tissue that form in our bodies, and when we foam roll, remember this, it is something that hurts so good. We have knots we're trying to get rid of, and this doesn't always feel the best. Realize when you get into a good foam rolling routine, you'll find your body moves better, and you're getting rid of a lot of aches and pains that have formed in your body. We're increasing our circulation, breaking up knots that we have formed in our bodies, hitting trigger points that end up releasing pain. One key point to foam rolling, when you find the tender spot, you want to spend a little more time on that area, gently massaging back and forth. Now there are different sizes of foam rollers from 12 inches up to 36 inches. I like the smaller ones as these guys travel a lot easier. And then I also love the big one because I get to lay on this to do the chest stretches. I also have one that is specifically for travel. It's flat and then you can make it and around. I love it. You just pull the cords and now you've got a foam roller that travels easily with you. Fits great into my golf bag or my suitcase. And this one actually is not bad for travel. There's also different firmnesses in foam rollers and they come in different colors. Some colors are more spongy than others, and I do like the black rollers as they tend to be more firm and I really want to get the knots out of my body. So let's get started with the 7 different exercises for today. Okay, the first one is going to be a chest stretch. So I take the 36-inch one and I lay it down. I'm going to lay on the foam roller. Now make sure that your head is supported. You don't want your head over the edge. So you're going to lay down and just put your arms out to the side and hold. This is a great way to release tension in our chest and pec muscles. If you want, you can actually move your arms up and down just slowly and get extra stretches in your chest. Now, you can hold the stretches, I would hold that one for a good 20 to 30 seconds, because remember, we have a tendency to be sitting all the time. We're hunched over, we're in our cars driving, and this just really allows us to open up our chest. Okay, this one is the quadriceps. You're going to roll back and forth. And remember, if you hit a point that hurts, pause, take a deep breath, exhale. Let your body sink into that and just gently go back and forth. That's what this foam rolling is for, is to get rid of tension that's in your body. Let's do hamstrings. So you're going to sit on the foam roller, lean back, and you're going to roll back and forth. Now if you want, you can cross one leg over. So that way you're doing one leg at a time and you can get deeper into that hamstring. Just make sure that you do both sides when you do your hammies. Okay, the next one is calves. I do like to do these one at a time. So I will just place one leg on here and roll back and forth. Now I kind of rotate my leg around when I go back and forth because we have 2 muscles in our calves. And we want to make sure we really get into that calf muscle. Okay, the next one is our side of our leg. You are going to get on your side. I like to put one foot over because it helps bring my hips forward so I can really get on my side. I'm going to roll forward and back. Now I also like to really get up into my hip and into the side of my glutes. So that way I get a little more, I can get deep into certain trigger points that I have and then just roll back and forth. Again, when you find a point that is more tender, pause and hold. This is what the foam roller does. It helps release those trigger points. Make sure you do both sides. Okay, let's do the glutes. You're going to sit on the foam roller, and I like just to go down and back. And then to get a little bit deeper into a different part of your glutes, I like to cross one leg over. And then, so the leg that's crossed over, I stay on that glute, that side, and I can get different, trigger points that I'll find different spots deep in there that need some work. And then, of course, make sure that you're switching to the other side. And the last one I'm going to show you is your upper back. So you're going to lay on the roller. You're just going to massage going up and down your back. Now this is great, helps alleviate a lot of stress just going back and forth. Again, if you have a lot of places that are bothering you, stop on that spot and really allow the roller to get in there and help release. I hope you've enjoyed the 7 rolling exercises. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. You can comment below, email me, or message me. Everyone, have a fantastic day.